Welcome to the GEP Roundup, a monthly lowdown of the latest and greatest from GEP and the world of supply chain. Every month, we bring you highlights of the top stories, insights, and events from the supply chain space so you can stay up to date on everything you need to know. From the latest innovations and technologies to the biggest challenges and opportunities facing the industry, we've got it covered.
Hello, and welcome to the 16th episode of the GEP Roundup, a monthly lowdown of the latest and greatest from GEP and the world of supply chain. I'm your host, Alex. Every month, we bring you highlights of the top stories, insights, and events from the supply chain space so you can stay up to date and in the know. From the latest innovations and technologies to the biggest challenges and opportunities facing the industry, we've got it all covered. Links to all talking points will be in the description below if you want to learn more or access our thought leadership. So let's dive into this week's episode. We'll start with the GEP Global Supply Chain Volatility Index. Stronger demand across major economies has led to a significant increase in manufacturing activity. Factories have ramped up purchases of raw materials, commodities, and components. As global manufacturers reported stretched capacity, the GEP Global Supply Chain Volatility Index broke into positive territory for the first time in 14 months. Asia is at the forefront of global recovery, while North America and Europe have shown improvements. Overall, these are encouraging signs for the global economy going into the second half of 2024. GEP has launched the industry's first AI-driven total orchestration solution to transform user experience and efficiency for enterprises. The solution has a built-in co-pilot that embeds intelligence across complex workflows while simplifying the end-user experience. By leveraging its generative AI and low-code platform, GEP Quantum, GEP's orchestration approach adeptly understands and guides users' buying decisions, streamlines processes, and improves collaboration, decision-making, control, and visibility over enterprise spend to uncover and deliver superior value. Onto resources you can take advantage of now. A new webcast from GEP and The Economist, Reimagining Procurement and Supply Chain Functions with AI, discusses how AI can transform supply chain and procurement operations, as well as its impact on their roles and strategy. The adoption of artificial intelligence is set to simplify several processes in the source-to-pay cycle. Not only can AI automate routine operations, but it can also help supply chain and procurement teams take on important roles and become strategic voices within the organization. Are you committed to achieving sustainability but struggling to track and manage supply chain emissions? How can you engage with suppliers to measure and reduce these emissions? A new GEP white paper, 10 Practical Steps to Reduce Scope 3 Emissions, discusses strategies to identify, analyze, and mitigate these emissions, as well as frameworks for supplier engagement and management. 2 new blog posts highlight the explosion of AI technology and best practices for navigating new tariffs on aluminum products. 46% of procurement professionals say AI adoption has been fast-tracked, according to a SIG survey. While some procurement professionals are still exploring its potential benefits, others are actively engaging in pilot testing of AI technologies in small-scale projects. Some have even gone beyond pilot testing by partially integrating AI into specific areas of procurement. The U.S. government is planning to impose additional duties on the import of many aluminum products and create a more level playing field for domestic producers. This move can put increased pressure on manufacturers who may have to deal with higher input costs. This GEP blog explains a few ways manufacturers can reduce the impact of the tariffs. Both new blogs are linked below. 2 bulletins are now available. The first, How Your Company Can Expand into Wider Markets, recommends procurement and supply chain solutions to overcome challenges like managing regulatory complexities, developing cross-cultural understanding, and assessing supply chain risks from a global standpoint. The second bulletin, 7 Effective Cost Reduction Strategies for FMCG Packaging explains 7 key strategies to reduce packaging costs and wastes. It also talks about integrating sustainability into your packaging process. On to customer news. GEP helped a Fortune 500 tech company optimize inventory and free up $1 billion in working capital. Supply risks have compelled many companies to maintain inventory reserves. But how can they implement just-in-case inventory strategy without hurting their cash flow? Learn how GEP helped a Fortune 500 technology company optimize inventory worth over $5 billion through an innovative buy-sell solution, a combination of process changes, managed services, and technology. Thank you all for tuning into the show, and please come back for the next episode. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow our YouTube channel for more supply chain content. Until next time.